Video I'm going to give you how to see the number of results for any keyword on Google. Lately, Google is hiding the total number of results in their search results. Suppose if you search for one keyword, World Cup, football, you see the number of results here with some news, recent news articles as top stories, and there is some automatically generated content like people also ask, and some details here, and finally there is a list with the number of pages. But there is no information about the total number of results. Even if we click here, we can't find the total number of results like this. There is no information about the total results. So that information we can see from in the top menu items. Click on the tools, and if you see, right now we are at page 10, and there is a results. These are the total number of results. Previously it was not, it was available, but the recent times they made some changes, and it is right now hiding and the main results. So we'll try another keyword, New York. On the front page we can't find the total results, and if we click on here in the tools, we see the results, and on clicking the specific page we can see the number, page number also, with the how much time it took to get the results. These are the almost almost the total results. And for any specific website, if you want to find how many results are there for the specific keyword for any particular website, we can do something like site facebook.com, enter your website like this, or any website, and type Mercedes. So the normal results we can see here, and the number of pages, and the total results we can see from here. In this way we can figure out how many search results are there for any keyword for within the Google as a whole, or within any particular website. I hope this will help at least some people. Thank you.